I am a student athlete.
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 I'm a Grambling State University student athlete.
What if you didn't have sports?
Only 2% of college athletes go pro in most major sports.
African American males who are student athletes are 10% more likely to graduate.
You worked hard to get here, don't throw it away.
What is progress towards degree? The percentage of classes you complete towards your degree.
We need 6 hours minimum every semester, 18 between fall and spring, and 24 hours by the end of the year.
Football needs 9 hours in the fall.
Sophomores need 40% completed.
Juniors need 60% and seniors need 80%.
You work hard to earn your degree, and every year you get one step closer to walking across the stage.
APR, Academics Progress Rate, is a term-by-term analysis that measures eligibility, retention, and graduation. Each student athlete who receives athletics aid has the opportunity to earn your team 4 points and increase the team's APR score.
Score 4.
Score 4.
Score 4.
Score 4.
We are all in the academic race.
Aim for a 3.0. Talk to the staff, they're here to help.
Be the best you can be on the field and in the classroom.
15 sports, 1 team.
I am Grambling.
I am Grambling.
Yo soy Grambling.
I am Grambling.
We are Grambling.